Okay, September 19th at 1:30 in the afternoon, and we're doing our final pack up here at SulDuc Hot Springs. So it's pretty cool sound, all those raindrops hitting the leaves. We're glad to have it after what we've been through. All the fires and the smoke the past week. We're pleased to have it. Clean air. Almost to Mink Lake, and there's a shelter there. So we'll huddle in that for a while. Okay, it's 3 o'clock and we've made it to Mink Lake. We're in our shelter. Hear the rain hitting the shingles. Drinking some tea. And there's the lake. We're just gonna chill out in here for a while and then see if the rain passes, and then eventually set up our tents out there. It's a nice little setting here. I don't want to really go out in the rain, honestly, but we'll go out here for a sec. There you go. Alright, 4:30 on the 19th of September, and this is Mink Lake.
They carry with them hygiene kits, toothpaste, socks, soap, shampoo. They fan out across Jacksonville, looking under bridges and parks.
So it's Sunday, September 20th, and we are waking up here at Mink Lake with blue skies, bluebird morning. The sun is just coming up now to light up this area here, and our camp is back there. So I'm going to sit out here, soak in some of this morning sun. Okay, honey, I'm calling my oatmeal very good oatmeal, because this is going to be very good, fresh blueberries from around the camp. I gotta get a picture of it too. Look at this. Okay, this is Deer Lake. It's our second night's camp, and we'll walk into it, go down this very unlevel trail, and it is early afternoon. We're gonna go up to the high route for the rest of the day. So we're set up. Okay, honey. That's us. We're all set up. Everything can dry out here. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of sun. Alright, that's where we're camped over there. Deer Lake. Bears. I haven't been getting a lot of video because we've been under canopy most of the day.
Yeah.
From Mink Lake to Deer Lake, it's okay, but I mean, it wasn't really video worthy. It's getting pretty stunning.
It's incredible. Perfect temperature too.
Yeah. Okay. We're right about at the turnoff for see some trails up there. But yeah, we're on this really weird rocky thing here. It looks like this was all disrupted by an earthquake or a landslide or something. It's just bizarre. that all this, the rock is, looks like it was recently disturbed. And they've had to build a new trail. And, not really even sure where we're going here, but pretty interesting. Alright, a little after 4. What time is it? 4:30, and we're at Lunch Lake. You can see a bear over there grazing. Well, I probably can't see it. It's on the other side. This is a pretty cool intersection here. We got cut off to the Seven Lakes Basin. We're on the high divide, so that goes back to Ho Lake, and eventually down the SulDuc all the way back, and then we're going back to Deer Lake. And this is trying to remember where the place where Fred Flintstone worked. The name of it.
Did he work at like a quarry?
He was a quarry, yeah, and I can't remember the name of it, but anyway, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've seen the show. All right, most of the way downhill back to Deer Lake. Slate. I can't remember the name of it. His boss was named Slate, I think, or something like that. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. It looks like this happened in just recent years. Some of this, somebody knows, leave me a PM or leave me a message down below to explain what happened here. I'll have to Google it, but this whole area, it's like a major landslide. And they had to reroute the trail, and almost looks like one of the earthquakes that we had caused a problem. Like, this is all new. So you can see this rock was covered up, and now and that part was exposed, but this was covered up. Look at that. Be scary being on this. Yeah, snapped trees, bunch of trees, all different angles. And this is really the jaw dropper right here. This thing, it looks like the earth is opening up and swallowing. Whoa, I gotta look at the trail. Yeah, the earth is just opening up and swallowing. It looks like a rock quarry.
It does.
I mean, and just Mother Nature. There's a trail. Okay, this is the other scary part here. These fissures where the earth is just falling off in that direction. Hi, Sticks, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Yee-hee. No more uphills for the most part. Yeah, there's these, you can see it's all, and the trees are starting to go as well. This whole thing is sloughing off the hillside. There's cracks. Freaky.
Yeah.
Freaky to walk on it. Maybe it's stable now.
Yeah.
It just had to,
Earthquake.
It's a point of equilibrium now, but yeah, it could have been from the 2001 earthquake or maybe some other earthquake. It's a really cool section where it's traversing for like a mile. Very little elevation change. Normally I bet the view is just incredible toward the Olympics. But, you know, we didn't have one drop of rain today, so we'll take it. We're only 3 hours drive away, so we can come back. Come back every year. One of these years, honey, we'll walk along here and get to see all that. We gotta get a shot of this. It's a cluster of some kind of pine tree, and it's, I'm guessing, been affected by the snow, but it looks like a sea monster. All right, check out our zone for tonight. That's our lake, Deer Lake. And then tomorrow we go beyond that, down, drop down into that illuminated SulDuc River Valley and walk out of here. About 5 miles.
Time.
Yeah, then we're going to taco time.
We're already thinking
4
about
towns. Well, that keeps us going.
Yeah.
See if I can get a picture of this. Oops.
Nice little lake.
Is it still recording?
So warm. I want to put this in my jacket.
Yeah, and I do one of these numbers too. I mean, you lift it all the way up,
Yep.
and then I go like, give it up. Oh.
Oh no.
Nope, it didn't come out. Awesome. Yeah, because you got to make sure all those seasons down in the corner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good. It's probably going to be. It'll be good.
Got it.
This is
that a
it.
goat?
This is home for the night.
There's a goat in their picture. We didn't see a goat. Lots of blueberries.
Oh, this would be a pretty nice one for a Friday night.
So
You know,
going counterclockwise.
Yeah, because it's a 3-hour drive for us to get up here. So, but this is on the clockwise. This would be, no, this would be counterclockwise. Yeah, if you were to go counterclockwise on the Seven Lakes Basin Loop, this is the first, could be a first night's camp if you got here in the afternoon, and there's like a couple spots and easy river access. Yeah.
That's nice.
Look at this. Neat. A spiral staircase and a fat old growth log here. Nicely roughed up so it's not slippery. Oh wow, they've really worked on some projects here. Here, sweetie, I'll get your picture. Oops.